If you are looking for a 4-pack of utility box cutting knives, this is the product for you. These are the Jetmore 4-pack utility knives. They all come in different colors here, and then they also come with this little package full of extra utility knives there. Now, one cool thing about these guys is that their whole opening mechanism is you push on the back here and then it opens. Each one comes with this cover over the blade so you don't accidentally cut yourself. And then in order to get the blade out, you actually push down over here, and then you're able to pull the blade out and reinsert it. So that's how you use these guys. Adjust that a little bit. There it goes. It collapses. Now, the body on these guys, this is plastic. All the other components are metal. And I've used this one in particular for cutting up a ton of boxes recently, and it worked flawlessly. I had zero issues whatsoever. It worked amazingly well for me. And I gotta say, I do highly recommend these guys. They've worked amazingly well. They're super light, but they're tough enough to withstand the job. So I recommend these guys.